Bella's got the taco. Bella's got the taco. Taco kitty. She's a taco kitty. I know, Harry. She loves her little taco. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. And there's Xena on the choo-choo train. And there goes Bella. And Harry's gonna bug her. What's going on? Bella's so tall. Meow. And Harry talks to me, even though if you came to visit, you wouldn't see Xena. And if you came to visit, you wouldn't see Harry. He would run away, even though Harry's not feral. Xena was feral. Harry learnt from Xena and her brother that other than me, he has to run away. He's a crazy boy, though. But Xena might come. Her brother might. Bella will definitely come and say hi to you. Or at least stare at you. Anyways, have a good day from the kitties. Choo-choo. Uh-oh. Are you going to go on the rocket or the train? The train. They're so funny. So, I'm just going to explain. The choo-choo train cat tree is on tables. He's so cute. The reason is so I can use my Roomba. My vacuum. Hi, handsome. So I can clean under everything. So everything's above the ground. Have a good day.